Guys, it's
Thank you so
today's
much.
fidget spinner, and I just changed my channel name. And this is gonna be a video about how to do tricks for your fidget spinner. So first, you can just like spin it. You can spin it.
These are good.
You can spin
Really
it.
good.
One hand. It's kind of hard for me. The second trick, color.
Huh?
For your chicken?
Color.
Do I want what?
You want pound 67?
So
That's usually what people eat with chicken.
Just the sauce.
Yeah, I'll try it. I've never tried
I
it.
think it's just about empty, but you can get out a little more.
Yeah, I think you can.
okay, so
Oops, that's not heavy enough.
the first trick is going to be spinning it with two hands. The second trick is going to be about spinning it with one hand. The third trick is going to be about like holding it and then like hold it, bounce it on your thumb.
Woman.
And then the last, okay, so those were, that's how to do fidget spinner tricks. Like, subscribe, on a comment in the description below. See you later, guys. Bye.